Hi, so today I'm going to walk you through the backend portal, which is complimentary as soon as we sign up as a market partner. The first most important thing to remember is the website always is mymonat.com, even for your clients. Only based on your username and password, the backend view changes. So once you log in into this, just save your password, it will help you. Um, and here we have different tabs. First, let's walk through the main page. This is the section where you see the latest perks that are going on, the sales, etc. You can click on them and it'll open the document. We're not going to do that now. This is if we have been published in any press release, or if we have any products that are out of stock or that have been restocked. You can go and view more and check. This is basically like a ticker telling you how much more time is remaining in this month, because at the end of the month your PVs and GVs will be reset, so you need to plan that way. This is your estimate bonus, customer sales bonus estimator, where you will be able to see how much bonus you're earning at the moment. If you want the extra money, you can use this to plan. Uh, this is the progress report. So we have different rank advancements from associate market partner AMP to MMP, AMB, MB, MMB, AMM, MMM, associate AEM, blah blah. So we'll reach there slowly. So for the first one, which should be done in 1 week, here you can track your progress. Then you know, okay, how much more do I need to attain this? So it helps you in planning. It also shows you your current downline here and your points here. If you make any personal orders, they are also added to the PV, but they are not added for any bonus. So it will customer PV is what you should be seeing to see if you're getting any bonuses or how much bonus you're getting, and that's also used in this calculator. So that's about the main page. To enroll a VIP or a market partner, this is what you use. Once you will need to do this, we will do it together. Shop is basically to shop for yourself. Flagship is to edit your own flagship. So if you do not have a flagship created, you can create one, but we usually don't do that because we end up shopping before that. Here are some tools that you can use. Here are some videos that you can make use of to self-train yourself, how to use the app, the some hairstyle tutorials, etc., etc. The important part here is the market partner. We'll move on to the resources tab, the Market Partner Academy. This will open up into a new tab. And when you open it here, there will be a couple of trainings that you can see. So in the training center, uh, the most important trainings that we have to complete in the first couple of days is this PhD master class. It's just a 30-minute training. Just go through it. It tells you what to do, but this is just a listening training. It's not a certification. This one, however, shampoo dealer, it tells you about all the shampoos is important. The damage control, this is also important. The glow getter is for the skin. So these two are shampoo and hair related. This is skin related and this is wellness related. So these trainings should be done for a lot of reasons. Once you do these, you will get an idea about what's happening. So on the groups, you will not be a little lost. You can also take your own decisions with what shampoo to give which customer. However, we will recommend that you ask your upline or your sideline to see what to recommend initially until you get confident with it. Another important part of this resources tab is this resource library, which is very, very helpful. You can just type in the name of the product that you want, and then it will open up a document here. And this document basically is the one that I sent you also in the email. Um, and once you click on any of these products, let's go with the oil. And then you just click on the product guide. It is going to give you a PDF which will give you all the details of how to use the product, how it's good, why it's different, the ingredients, how to layer it, blah blah. Also, you can send this to your clients once they have purchased the products, not before. It is also available online on Google. um, So don't worry about that privacy and everything. We are completely clear about what ingredients we use. Another very important part of these resources is if you just go here, there are things that you can share. So this is basically going to tell you, give you trackers and everything for your business. These are some tools again that you can use. This is all the Feb perks. These are the upcoming corporate events. These are VIP perks if you want to share it with somewhere. These are the folders in which all the products are here. And then the next important thing, that shareables for the social media are all here under different categories. So you can make use of this. And the next part is the recognition portal. You can have a look. The Monet quiz is a quiz that you can send, but we usually use the Google Doc. So coming on to reports, I don't have any saved reports. These reports tell you about your commissions, these about your customers. This is about your current performance, which is also visible on your dashboard. This is about your downlines, and this is your organization view. This flagship report is used to move your client's flagship, because they, if they take the concierge service, then you can use that. And if you're working towards any incentive, you can click on any of this. For example, perfect 10. We are running perfect 10. So if we can complete perfect 10 by the end of Feb, um, this is how it's counting. So it's saying, okay, you've done one of this, so nine of these left and one of MMP promotion left. So this is how this website works. If you have any questions, please feel free to watch out, reach out to me, and all your other details will be available here. My account, order history, and in my account you can get all the payment portals where you get all your information about your income, etc. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Thank you.